You remember this,
पेपर
our
से कई
favorite
चीजें
art
बनाई जा
show?
सकती हैं.
When we were kids, we saw many art shows like Art Attack, Mad. There was one person who used to come with a robot. And we all were so much curious that how they are doing it, so effortlessly, so easily. And whenever I saw, I was always mesmerized by the work. And when I was kid, I used to spend my whole time with art and craft. After completing my homework, I used to just sit with all my craft material, and it was so fun, right? But when I grew, I just forgot everything because of academics. After 8th standard, I literally never touched anything, anything related to art. Whenever we see these people doing artworks, we think that, oh, it's so tough to do. Like, we can't do it. But after teaching for 4.5 years, I discovered that anybody can paint. Like, literally anybody can paint. Even if you have not touched brush, you can paint and sketch really well in just few sessions. Okay. This artwork is done by my lovely 10 years old student. Can you just believe he's just 10 years old? And he did it so well. The strokes are perfect, the composition is perfect, and everything is amazing. This is another student's artwork, and she's also 9 or 10 years old. Can you just see that? Like, I am just so mesmerized by the work. I never ever imagined that a 10 or 9 or 11 years old students can do this. I was just experimenting with them by, teaching them all this stuff, and it all turned out so well. They are happy, the parents are happy, and we all are surprised how they did it. Okay. So, when I'm 24 years old, and when I started, I had no one to guide. And in my family, there was a taboo that, you can't make enough money through art. So they were not interested to invest any money in that. Then I had to learn everything by my own. It took a little longer time to, understand how it works, how we are supposed to process artworks. Whenever we are looking at something, how we are supposed to process that in the form of art piece. Okay. Then I thought that, okay, after, as I have invested so much of time and energy in learning, why not to make a series, for all those who aspires to learn art, for all those Sakshis who really wants to learn art. Okay. So I'm coming up with an art show called Tell Your Art by Sakshi. In this art show, I'll be teaching you everything from the scratch, even if you don't know which brush to choose, which medium to go for, how to start, even if you don't know how to make a line. I'm going to take it. All right. So I'm going to teach you the foundation of sketching, acrylic blending. Sometimes we'll do watercolor, sometimes we'll do sketching, shading, this color theory and everything. Because I feel that art is something which is very relaxing, and nowadays we all are so stressed. Oh god, even though I am doing art all the time, but still sometimes so many things happen that I get really stressed about it. And then art is just like a therapy. Once you start doing it, your stress starts dissolving. So it's an amazing therapy, and I feel everybody has a right to learn and to do that. And I can guarantee you, whoever will do all this 40 to 50 episodes, that person will be able to paint and sketch by their own. That person will have a deeper understanding about art, because I'm not just going to teach you the technical things. Okay. How to be a good observer, how to understand the touch and feel of the object, of any subject. We will do that, because art is a very beautiful subject. If you study anything, you can literally make anything and everything. When I started, I was literally not knowing anything. I started really bad. But as the more time I spent with colors, I really felt that they're guiding me back. Use this, don't use that, this is how it is supposed to be done. So you have to build a relationship with the colors, with the brush. Okay, so it's not just about the technical things that you have to be good with blending with the pencil and everything. You have to do that, but along with that you have to build a good relationship with all those things. So I'm going to help you with that. I will help you out to find out your art style. Oh god, the most controversial thing, for any artist. What is your art style? For me, I was just so mad about it, what is my art style? What is my art style? And after so many experiments, now I got it. Now I know what is my art style, and it's just so beautiful to know, because your art style is going to be yours. It is going to be your signature. Nobody, even if anybody copies your artwork, they can't predict the next, because your art style is yours. Okay, nobody else can replicate that. That is the beauty of the art style. And there is a step to just find out your art style, and I'm surely going to share it. And the best part happened to me, knowing, even when I was not knowing how to sketch, I started earning through art. It was just a God's blessing for me, because at that time I was literally not aware of it, how to sketch, how to paint. But then someone suggested me that you should start your classes, because I was able to make just mandalas, nothing else. Okay. Then I started my art classes. So while teaching them, I was learning, So I'll be also sharing the tips how you can make nice money through art. So you will be an independent artist. I'm not going to teach you all alone. There's one person who is going to help us with all the doubts, because as a beginner we have many questions in our mind how to do that. We make many mistakes, and then we just don't get it how to cope up. I would like to introduce Sakshi from 2021. All right, she will be with us, and she'll be telling what all problems she faced while painting, while sketching, while teaching, and tell her how she can get better with that. And this Sakshi is completely unaware of art, because in my family there is nobody who is an artist. So there was no help for me. Hi, I'm Sakshi from June 2021. I just came here so she can help me out with art and with my classes. Yeah, so we were discussing things, and Sakshi being Sakshi, my creative mind just doesn't stop. So we decided to record this process. So whoever is beginner, whoever really wants to learn art, they can also make good use of it. So let's make a promise from ourselves that by end of this year, we will become a better artist. We will learn everything related to art. We will learn the tricks and techniques to become a better artist, and we will practice, and we will complete the whole series together. And this will help us out in two ways. First, my past self will learn faster, so I will become better, and you guys can also become a really good artist through this. See, I have no choice, because as I have started the classes, so I have to teach, and I have to prove everyone that art can actually make you financial independent. You choose your purpose to learn art, so you can stick to it. Write somewhere and stick it on the wall in front of you, so it will keep on reminding you that why you have to complete this series. Also write a note for yourself in the comment box. So, and if anybody will like that comment, it will be a reminder for you to complete this. Thank you so much for watching till then. Subscribe now and let's become a world famous artist together. God bless you all. Bye bye. See you.